Keeping your home clean can feel like a never-ending task, but a robot vacuum makes it so much easier, saving you time and effort with every pass. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Top Picks Today. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best robot vacuums available right now, each packed with smart features, powerful suction, and advanced cleaning modes to suit different floor types and household needs. You'll find all the product links mentioned in the video in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Eufy X10 Pro Omni. Starting our list at number 5, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni is perfect for pet owners and households with carpets, delivering powerful, hands-free cleaning. With 8,000 pascals of suction, it easily removes hidden debris, pet hair, and dust in just one pass, leaving floors fur-free. Its multi-directional floating roller brush stays close to carpet surfaces to lift embedded dirt effectively, while the advanced Pro Detangle comb and auto detangling roller brush prevent hair from wrapping around the brush. The X10 Pro Omni features MopMaster 2.0 technology, applying 180 rotations per minute and 1 kilogram of downward pressure to tackle stubborn stains, even lifting spills like dried coffee. With its self-maintaining all-in-one station, it can self-empty, self-wash, self-refill, and self-dry, making it virtually maintenance-free. Equipped with AIC Smart Cleaning, the X10 Pro Omni detects over 100 obstacles like pet toys, wires, and shoes. Even in low-light areas, thanks to its LED sensor, its iPath laser navigation and customizable AI map 3.0 allow precise cleaning paths, and its feature of no-go zones ensures an optimized, targeted clean all the way to the edges of your rooms. Number 4. iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. In the 4th position, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. This advanced robot vacuum and mop is built for powerful and efficient cleaning, boasting 100% more suction, a 4-stage cleaning system, and smart scrub technology for a thorough back-and-forth mop. With precision vision navigation, it identifies and avoids obstacles like cords and pet waste for a seamless experience. The auto wash dock takes care of emptying debris, refilling the mop, and even washing and drying the mop pad, while a self-cleaning cycle keeps the dock tidy with minimal maintenance. Thanks to Dirt Detective technology, it prioritizes frequently used rooms and selects optimal settings for a deep clean exactly where you need it. Smart home compatibility allows voice control via Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. Just tell it to clean specific areas like near the dishwasher or pet bowls. Enhanced Dirt Detect sensors recognize messes 8 times more effectively, and advanced mapping technology allows it to fully map your home 7 times faster than previous models, ensuring precise cleaning whenever and wherever you want. Number 3. Narwhal Freo X Ultra. In the 3rd position, the Narwhal Freo X Ultra offers powerful, hands-free cleaning ideal for pet owners and families. With 8,200 pascals of suction power, strong enough to pull up even embedded dirt from carpets, it efficiently removes dust, debris, and pet fur from both carpets and hard floors. The innovative zero-tangling brush achieves 99.5% hair removal, ensuring fur and hair don't get stuck. Its patented rouleau mop heads scrub stubborn stains with 12 newtons of pressure and a 180 RPM speed, while AI Dirt Sense technology keeps cleaning until floors are spotless. The maintenance-free docking station includes auto mop wash, auto drying, and auto detergent dispensing for a hassle-free cleaning routine. Plus, the self-contained dust system compresses dirt for up to 7 weeks of hands-off operation. With LiDAR 4.0 navigation, the Freo X Ultra uses 360-degree scanning vision to calculate optimized cleaning paths, while tri-laser obstacle avoidance and advanced side and forward sensors allow precise navigation around obstacles. It even features smart no-go zones to keep it away from restricted areas and auto switches to deep clean mode when needed. Voice control compatibility with Alexa and Siri enables easy hands-free operation. Number 2, DreamX 40 Ultra. In the second position, The DreamX 40 Ultra delivers precision and powerful cleaning for deep, all-around floor care. With 12,000 pascals of suction, it effortlessly tackles embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris on both carpets and hard floors. The innovative side reach extendable brush reaches wall edges and furniture legs for thorough dirt removal. Its auto-lifting mop system prevents carpets from getting wet by lifting 10 millimeters above them when needed, ensuring carpets stay dry and protected. The DreamX 40 Ultra also offers advanced obstacle avoidance, identifying over 120 objects with precise LiDAR navigation and multi-level mapping across up to 4 floors for efficient, customized cleaning paths. Omni dirt detection technology focuses on tough stains, while Mop Extend Robo Swing scrubs deeply under low furniture and in corners. Equipped with a 158-degree hot water self-cleaning feature for the mop and washboard, it prevents odors and allows temperature customization. A robust 6,400 mAh battery ensures extended, uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Voice control compatibility with Alexa, Siri, Dream Home, and Google Home allows seamless, hands-free operation. Number 1. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. Winning the top spot as a luxury option, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers a comprehensive cleaning experience with automatic emptying, hot water mop washing, and drying capabilities. Featuring self-cleaning, self-refilling, and intelligent dirt detection, it ensures thorough cleaning with minimal maintenance. With 10,000 pascal suction power, the vacuum efficiently captures dust and debris from carpets and hard floors. Its dual roller design prevents hair tangles, while the FlexiArm side brush and extra edge mop clean tight spots and edges with precision. The VibraRise 3.0 sonic mopping system scrubs up to 4,000 times per minute to tackle stubborn stains, and the robot's intelligent dirt detection adapts suction power as needed. Pet-friendly features include two-way video calls, pet snaps, and the Hello Rocky voice command for hands-free operation. With Reactive AI 2.0 and LiDAR navigation, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra effortlessly navigates your home, avoiding obstacles and ensuring a seamless cleaning experience. Overall, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is a premium, low-maintenance solution for keeping your floors spotless with advanced features and effortless convenience. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best robot vacuums on the market. Whether you need powerful suction for deep cleaning, smart mapping to navigate tricky spaces, or hands-free maintenance for ultimate convenience, there's a model here for every home and lifestyle. Each of these options offers standout features to keep your floor spotless without you lifting a finger. You'll find links to all the products mentioned in the description below. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment to support the channel, and stay tuned to Top Picks Today for more tech reviews and buying guides. Until next time.